I should have said we show like my dementia or email or incident. Sending some issue for Microsoft Word. Now it's really cool.
Where's it? The emergency says I'm coming to the room with the nature, medical and crown, and down no funny. The million funny outside of my triumph. Yeah, but so far I know. Can't, it's impossible to have one.
You will send now into our PDF as well.
No about. Anyway. I think my whole way was somewhere there.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
Michelle is,
Yeah. That like charm.
Mo. Apple. As you know, what we do. Apple. Let's try Amno. But I know my can't say whatever. I know my can't say
Heavy.
heavy.
Yeah, heavy.
I've been on heavy. Right?
That's like,
That's someone's name.
oh, that one's
Like
light.
singing bed.
Like, yeah, like a bird. The whole thing.
Just how we say it, and yeah, you can do the middle. That's also want to do the right how you say it.
Oh, that I don't know.
But into you, we're treating also in crying, that's why we're crying now to cheer and the unit. We want someone. Well, happy.
Okay. We didn't patrol. America sim esse vídeo. Oh. Charlie, I know my Instagram and grandson and the
I thought,
No, you're gonna have to do that over.
you go about it, no, I say.
Oh.
They say, you get all that.
Oh, I don't mind a grammar bread. Maybe. Oh.
They try to make my for Chicago. Yes, I know it. Over it. By the next time.
Maybe I won't find China.
Why do you have to ruin mine?
Oh, always together.
Whatever.
I didn't realize, I just. Oh.
So I should write it down there.
Ever dear, make I feel say, I'm a man modern. I'll remember the word because I'll say that the bird is heavy.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
So it will be an ostrich or something. Heavy.
Walk. Yeah.
Is the V for small?
Yeah.
So what's the head by itself? Is it
Oh,
something?
that I don't know.
Okay.
I have to ask him, I'll let you know. Looks like he has work today, by the way.
Okay. So, what I want us to do is focus in on the Medu Necha throughout. So, man, Alabama.
I'm making to be shot. The question said, over the chair, Akoko, and I said, bed, I will manage it. We need now a couple of minutes.
Thank you.
Too many Jabate, Anna. Too many Jabate. What up? Family. Abo. She, you're drawing thing.
Them.
You might someone. Oh, yes, soccer. 2 marks on the boat.
Oh, like 2 parallel lines. Oh.
Yeah.
Go, go I think it's wet now. Try to write it on this side.
Yeah. Very much. That's the right thing. That used to be
Watch out. Oh, wait. That's no hands.
No hands?
So it's like 1, 5, 13.
Oh, okay.
Here. Oh. Imo yung tama no. Soccer. Luchu.
But we pronounce it inchu.
Unchu. Apa? Heru.
What are your friends saying?
Jam plus. Yeah, but woman dear me the bonium I will shanum. Look at that, you call shanum I will tama. No, be to my with the chair. Shenuma,
As in, our kind,
Aye. That makes you me who if it is hard down on me. Because I not cover you. We said, dear, or yet, Mamma, I am so what watching it. That's not the way I did.
Oh. I'm sure.
Day.
That man, that man. I did chant dawn and not daybreak. I did chant dawn.
Done.
We are done. They all kind of material.
Okay, so in Ghana, to be day.
No, you might someone. Hard. So everyone should be putting everything in your notes. I'm choosing one to do each one on the board, but everyone should have everything in your notes. One note me kind of the kind. Totally elekini, urikini. Who was able to read the first chapter? Yeah. Mu say when you na funny I try to so there's a picture at the end that is descriptive of what the word is about. So that's what each one of you are. So you see this is something to do with a man and his occupation. When so it's a bosom and that's all any. Don't wait when you say if I or we are high and I said, we said, we'll call baby, and I said, we'll back. Walk it out home. We tried the baby, and I said, the kitwa, and I said, the emerald. We saw it a crow, and I said, Bean. It's a way that you will tree more, say a bonnet, and a wall of most and bon, your song, her most and bonnet. Nope. Kiss. Kiss. Nope. Okay. Diwen so niece, frère, pana wecho. Nope. Send that. hot. Yeah, share home. Mo. Enti ade ba ko me pese obi aye ne se me pese se wuni masemfo ana se ebia muhu sene yesi betro me pese muhu wo ensemfo asechina homo. So anytime that you're not sure how to spell something, I want you to look in the dictionary, get into the habit of doing that. Everyone guesses. In Ghana, it's my language. However I do it, I do it. I want us to get out of that habit and actually learn how. We don't do that with English. We respect English a little bit more, that we will find out how to say it or how to write it. This one is just, however, I want us to. But Obama, what? Obama.
Yeah.
But you are similar to say, well, Asante Chi, sa na a year free hall now, so you're true, you're not so true. It's ha, it's it. Sammy true. I say, I can't, I say, I mean, in Canada, say, Asante, I say, Equapima, you have a Canada. That's Asante. You know, you're trying to see, and also Asante Yanka. It's Obama. You're trying to see, and also Sahara. That's how you left you. See, I can't say Obama. Oberema. Who say Asante for crown with me can say Yauberema? Yauberema. Chumberema. The almost me can't bear man, so I told the beer and running. Now, this are Erna Sanashim. Yauberema. No more can say a son of Berman or son of Berima. Sahar. Sahar. Put you in yes and your drum. Be sure.
Who will answer you?
If you just say, it is that you can't, it is that and I'll say E, no, so yeah, E, fancy for Mudan Bibia, Mudan E, it's a way a foot, a foot to set there be. No, I don't think you want to well, alright. 2, 4. Every 2, 4, it is say what you're on the O for her. That's why O, the bride down the D. Some to no 4, and you be to no 4, and see bride trying to see as well. Yeah, R, F, O, yeah, R, F, O. It is the only say what you're on the senior Sika, now the summer senior Sika, as soon as you draw. We say at the Trono and my interest in the back. Say what you're woman in your number. Also, we naturally say the interest in our Hunya senior It's a bit done no what I know. It's my man's son. It's all. What is that? 2. What's that? The 24. Yo, mo, vai ali. Hey.
Oh, you try to answer the same council.
Wait.
Dictionary for that. Have you found it?
On here. No, you're preparing when I say ever. No, you're preparing when I say ever.
I did.
Ewa.
I'm not doing it. No way.
No.
None. I'm not guy yet. No. I'm not a
How do you say it in Tree?
I did.
No, you're preparing. You want someone? In Tibra, you won't say the way. No, what I say, actually, a dream be Bibia, Santo Minka, a Bibia, a white dream. We not talk about that. No, just. So as we mentioned before, the convention is between 2 consonants. They just insert the eh sound. So in standard Egyptology would say najas. For African languages, we know the n and the d can be together. So that's just a random convention that they decided on. We could decide, let's say, njes, like the n and the j coming together, like njit, like njini. But just keep in mind that all these are just conventions.
Can there be 2 Egyptian words which might have the same spelling, but might have different determinatives to might give different meanings?
So like Kemet, for example. So Kemet is land of the black people, and it can have the determinative of the town that we just saw. But then it can have a determinative of a man and a woman with 3 plural strokes. Then it's telling you black people. And that's how the people refer to themselves. So that's just an example, but there are lots like that.
This one has 2 determinatives.
Individual and same I'm putting on one.
You should home.
Ordinary one. This.
Person there, I was thinking. Individual.
Oh,
Maybe I watch you on. What's your almost I'm so away video, some of friend English to
Well, you know, someone. Like I said, we had the jets, we had the deaths. Teach, I mean, wait. And since I didn't know about us, and see, Sanka, whom BBC, the jets, now so we name the Assetcher, or bet me a call, but the nature and simple Assetcher Homa. Acquisition. So if you just see the Najes and you're not sure what it is, you can go to this dictionary. I think everyone has a copy of this. The Dixon Dictionary is available for free online. Now, to do the J for the computer, you do a capital D, so you can do case sensitive and then do the search for it. So Najes, little, small. This is what we're looking for, this one specifically. Commoner, citizen, good fellow, and have contemptuous address. So Najes, right? So again, if you just see this, and let's say, all right, you know the uniliterals, right? You know uniliterals. So let's say that you're not in the book and you don't see anything around it, you just know that N is there, J is there, and S is there. So you know the N is there, J is there, and S is there. So you can even just based on knowing the uniliterals, you can go and look it up and find out what the meaning is, right? So this is a method that you can find out things. If you have a monument, if you have a picture, you can start, you know, translating on your own by doing the research and saying, what's this sign? And the Gardner book is good for that as well. Let's say you don't even know what it is, but you see it's a low broad sign. So you can look it up in the Gardner one. You say low broad sign, it will point you to what the sign is. You can find the meaning from there. What you see?
I'm finding it difficult to find it in that, but I found a very like name. Meaning someone. Can it be the same?
No, this is usually like for, it depends on the context, but usually it's to say a person, you know, like a specific person, not like any person.
Is it individual, ordinary one?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
you can use them.
I'm really not sure about the gun, but it's striking my ears like Obi, like the tree Obi, but that's not this one. So this is Ankurankure, this is Kwasafo, which is a commoner, and there's also Onipa. But all three of those are different from just saying Obi like just anyone. Yao. So you get old, everything is paining you, you say, ow, ow.
Say yeah.
Yeah. So these are good ways to help you remember, right? And yummy yow. But I went so anxious what they will be saying. Yeah, but yow, I video and come from. But when the mummy, you know, me, who's on you?
But apart from Kakran answer, and I need to know.
And in Dubai. And in Tabai. I was in Tabai. Mo pen
No, in you or mana.
pen so pen ano na 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 Mo Ati one of us nga kind of na siya man. Kan numero na siya after siya sa coffee. Anasa in cry. Anasa Ewe. Anasa Yoruba.
But this is it's you see,
Pat, zero.
interested I.
Okay, I'm trying. Teacher, I know what it is. To nam if it is. So now we get. We could be sanctioned. We really sad.
Ma.
You be sad.
Zero.
I'll make sure I just do it.
Okay. Check my deal. What then, Mammy? Send him, baby. And the way, but said, who country are? I just send me.
Like, yeah.
Yeah, toss me a Sunday.
Wait. So, which one is the half? I have been.
I know you're saying you should have to go to
And
we, Nigeria, Tremcabia, you, Nigeria, Tremcabia. And see, say, yeah, in a country more, you can say, not, they say, not more, not, and ma, we are looking now, it's a set, and yes, yeah, true. It did not mean
to come home.
you.
And then it's a Nami.
Nami.
And that way, teaching
Me.
Nami, not me.
Just a me so
To Tonoy.
ma. Opetu, which is Opetu.
Not me. To
Mama.
Wait, you know.
Aye.
Okay.
It's also in Siena, so anyway,
na me tutu
350.
free titi. Okay. Into Nanso. Wait a minute. Say me.
Aha.
Okay. Me. And now we be that.
It is true, and then it is true, and yeah, it's true. I would cheat. Okay. Zero. And yeah. And then out to Anoma by me, so concon, see, and I'm a test, see, as a concon ye, I just see, should be this. The woman said, "Me person who said, if it is, we do not say to me, they call a baby cousin. And here say, you call cat and son, yes, son. Was a middle natural ha, she was ha. The other thing I will say, a boy and romance, I call in Gracia, Brutry, and son, yes, son, but baby, I wanted that. What I say? The say, they say, a cousin, they say, it's me. You know, I'm say, upon the about was. Nti say ba ye be ye Cratify toso in crown aped to. Nti sere ye wa ha no teacher no ye nhyeda nkan brofo no mopa mo weso kan brofo no na so ye be hyeda hwe me do net science tro sere be ya nti asena yes. Nti munim offset. Ya brofo from ISIS. Ni bosom dano ni. Offset. If I say, Onona or year or Henry Fapim, so almost since you throw a dean, a Akonja, I actually say, and Sana will bet me at the chemist, so just say, who free a Nabusium, it's a woman in Moja woman. It's a no, I feel every day when we say, you know, Homer, a war, teach you no hero, a war, hero. I feel you know, Homer or dog, if we say, Jenny or chin now or pair or saw near Honam, you know, and also no one a year. Sanya women. You're doing people so be a you're kind of was. Into a higher just a Hana ye up higher Titan. This is a place where libation used to be poured. There's a lot in the pictures, but what I do, they're high quality pictures for the most part, so you can zoom in and really get to the text. And see, in Repemono, you're machine now. And Jim Madame was and that's it. No, no, We. But yeah, yes, as I am, you know, the money, I am. To be catching yourself from you know, I am. We know. Parliament won't come from the door. But you maintain from but hello. But over. You're in a mission on the mental carrier, why? You're meeting me.
I don't know.